Kulang.
Pag mga ganitong oras, anong ginagawa niyo? Kumakain, tapos swimming, tapos maligo na, ganun din, maligo na, mga housemates, ganun din.
Para maligo.
Tapos, ano pa, after yung maligo, anong ginagawa niyo?
Nag-alay na lang po na.
Kwento.
Okay lang yan. Yan talaga ang buhay. Kaya mo tayo para may lakas tayo ng over-over.
Bed pa po dyan.
Oo, okay, salamat. May talaga kayo sa gatas, no? I'm so... Wala ko may... I'm so proud of you. Oh, ayaw ko ng hilo. Ay.
Iyak wala ko.
Uy.
Wala po. Thank you.
Oh, sige. Ayaw ko kasi ng hilo eh. Kasi hilo yung ngipin ko. Mag-swimming tayo mamaya.
May dala ko kayo naman.
Manghiram ako. Gagawin tayo.
Okay po.
Madala ako.
Baka matulog kayo po dito.
Ako 1 week kayo dito.
Okay naman, ano naman. Hanggang big night. Hanggang night! Yak, pala mo. Pang-swimming na din ako pang-swimming. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko mag-swimming sa PBB. Okay. Ang drama.
Pag-strip mag-swimming pa pa.
Alam niyo, dapat kumakain, dapat inom kayo ng gatas. Ito, saging. Ito mga first ingredients para maglakas kayo sa buong araw. Di ba kaya ito binibigay ni Big Brother sa atin? Kasi itlog, ito talaga pinaka-need eh. To sustain your strength and courage. Char ko lang yun. So, pagkatahimik natin. Pag mga ganito, after niya mag-breakfast, ano ginagawa niya?
So, parang linis ng plato.
Okay, may apakin mo. Magpito-pito tayo ngayon. Ano ba kasi maglaro tayo mamaya? Ha?
Tutubi.
Sige na, nagawang bed daw.
Ano yan?
Sa cute.
Magawan base.
2 stone? Ay, iba pa yun.
Nagawang base yung parang base mo, base ng alam. Tapos, kaya, at recharge. Kaya.
Ay, parang 2 stone.
English sa kanya eh. Hindi na tayo na-identify sa agawan base. Kaya 2 stone. Hindi ko dalawang mato yun ah.
Pero po yung tawag namin.
2 stones.
Pero same lang. Nagawan din.
English. Alam ko lang eh, Flintstone lang alam ko. Ano yung 2 stone ah? Agawan base pala yung sa English. Agawan base pala yung sa English?
Yata. Ay, basta yung pa 2 stone. Same lang, ganun na may base.
Tapos, kung sino yung
Kasi nung nalabas, pwede siyang tayain ng...
Ano.
Pero pwede siyang mag-recharge.
Grabe ito, makatawa talaga kambal, no?
Sino pong pinakamaganda sa kanila?
Kanila? Siyempre, bakit sila dalawa? Kaya kambal, kaya maganda silang dalawa. Isa lang yung mukha nila. Paano kaya kung may kambal ako, no? Dalawa kami. Ganun sa akin. No way! Gano'n na ngipin niya. Gano'n na. Talaga na ngipin?
Medyo lang. May kampal po kayo na pinsan, di ba? Opo.
Yung kuan, family friend. Ilongga din.
Oh.
Pagkat nagpaputol yung isa ng buhok, nagpaputol din yung isa. Nagpaputol ba?
Kaya ko bakit mahaba aking buhok sa kanya? Kasi may tulad ako dito.
Love na love niyo isa't isa. Pero ba, wala kayong bunso na kapatid?
Meron. 4 kami.
Good morning, visitor.
Good morning, big brother.
Why don't you talk to her in English?
Oh.
So, what, big brother? I will talk to you.
No, with the housemate.
I'm with the house. I will talk in English.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. What is the problem with that? Turn on, big brother. Turn on, big brother. Bakit naman kayo nag-English?
Karen.
Okay. Good morning. Okay. Yes? Yes, no? Just English. Girl, what do you want us to English? We want to enjoy our lives. Ano yung mag-English ito si Kwano, Mertel?
What? What is that?
You English? We want English? We English daw. May English tayo.
Yes.
We English. We English! My brother, Roy wants to talk to you English. Go.
Ikaw rin po yung expert. Oo.
Say English. Say.
Okay.
Go.
Sorry, do you do it?
I'm gonna want. Or big brother, I'm gonna want. Okay, I'm flying and I am still kicking. Akala ko ba wala akong bakon na English na? No way. No way. Then what question to me? Yung question ko.
How's your day so far?
I think it's so very near. Inspiration. So far, my day is so very happy.
I think Karen can help.
What, big brother?
I think Karen can help.
Karen can help now. You help me?
Yes,
Oh, sige,
I help
okay.
you.
We are the partner. Question us. You question her. Bilisan mo. You faster. English na. Get our English. Cool and clean, no? Cool.
Pas mo na, pas.
Ano kuan? Inuman? Pas? Yung English, Ryan. Yung English!
Go, Ryan.
Wala na.
You like that? Oh, good morning. You like that? You say it, Say the English, baby boy. Go. Go!
What's your name?
What's your name? It's a very hard question. Again, I'll make it through the rain. I can take it through the rain too. My name is Christine Hermosa. How about you? Angel Queen. What do you think about that?
Are you thinking of us?
So if Angel Lacsin, you is John Lloyd.
No.
Ay, Phil husband! Oh, you are the soccer boy.
He's playing soccer.
You play?
Ay, football, I mean.
Oh, let's play. You want to play? Oh, you are a soccer player. Where you play?
Pampanga.
Oh.
In the field, of course.
Yes. Oh, it's a field in Pampanga. Very good. How about you? Are you English judge? Go. Joy.
Say, I have no voice.